Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring you can sign in. Open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac and verify the Apple ID shown is the one that holds the backups. Once signed in, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and the device is charging or above 50%. This prevents interruptions. If necessary, install any pending iOS or Mac OS updates because older system versions can hide or block backup listings. Now you're ready to view backups. Now you'll navigate to the iCloud backup list. On iPhone, tap your name, then iCloud and Manage Storage and choose Backups to see device entries. On a Mac, open System Preferences, click Apple ID, iCloud, then Manage and Backups. Look at each device name, the last backup date, and size so you pick the correct snapshot. If you need more detail, click a backup to view included app data. Once you've selected the right backup, prepare to restore or download specific data. To restore a full device, erase or reset it, and during setup choose Restore from iCloud Backup, then sign in and select the backup you identified. The device will download settings and apps progressively. For individual files or photos, open iCloud Drive or Photos on the web or relevant apps to download only what you need. If a backup is missing, sign out and back into iCloud, verify you have enough iCloud storage, and confirm a strong Wi-Fi connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.